Well, hello there. I hope you had a wonderful Wednesday and you're ready for another great day of learning. It is Thursday, which means we are switching our gears and learning about math today. Yesterday was literacy, where we read Rex the cat, and today is back to math. So here we go. So we've been learning about counting and writing to 10. Show 5. Well, I can see how many is in this picture. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 red dots. Another way to show 5 is here. Does that show the number 5? It does. It's the number, and we are showing 5. Here's another way we could show 5. How many hearts do I have? I see 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So there are 3 ways we can show 5, with the counters, the number, and the hearts. All right, so we're going to be learning about numbers 6, 7, and 8 for today. So we first need to practice writing our numbers. So here's the 6. We're going to start at the top, go down, and loop back around. Now I'm going to try it on my own. Starting at the top, go down, make a curve, and make another curve looping back around. There's 6. Now I need to figure out how many show 6. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this one shows 6. How many is in this picture? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That one does not show 6. Let's move on to the next number. Here we have the number 7. So starting at the top, we're going to make a straight line across and a diagonal down. Let's practice it on our own. Straight line across, stop, and diagonal down. Now we need to figure out how many fingers are up to show 7. Let's start over here. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That one does not show 7. Here I see 5, and I know because I know there's 5 fingers on a hand, and we have 6, 7. Does that show 7? Yes, it does. Now we have the number 8. So I'm going to start at the top. I'm going to make a curve, make a curve. If I stop, it kind of looks like an S. Let me get another highlighter to show you better. So starting at the top, we're going to make a curve, make a curve. See, it kind of makes an S. And we're going to then curve back up and curve again to attach it at the top. Let's try that one again. Starting at the top, we're going to make an S basically, and then loop it back up. Make a curve, make a curve. There we go. Let's count how many circles there are. Here I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Does that show 8? Nope. So let's try this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Does that show 8? It does. So we need to circle that one because it is correct. Now, how did we decide which groups of circles to circle? Well, we counted and we wrote our numbers in the circles to remember how many there are. So, different ways you could count is you could write the numbers in. You could just count with your fingers and remember how much there were. Or you could color the circles as you go to remember you already counted them. Kind of like this. Let's try it. So here I have 1. Let's try a different marker. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So there's some different ways that we could count. Here's our last problem for today. It is asking which shows 7. So that's the number we want to find today. How could we count? Well, I'm going to continue writing the numbers above the fish because that was helpful. So here I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That one does not show 7, so I'm going to put an X through it. Now let's move on to the next. Here I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Does this show 7? Yes, it does. So I'm going to circle these ones because these ones show 7. Oh, what happened with my marker? There we go. We have our 7. And that is the end of the slideshow for today. So now it's your turn to practice. You have an iReady practice page that you'll be able to practice what we just learned by completing it. So you'll be able to try the new skills we learned with counting, and you're going to be able to practice with more numbers. So if you have any questions or you're having a hard time completing that practice page, I'm always here to help. Mom or Dad can always shoot me an email or give me a phone, a text, or give me a ring on my cell phone. Oh goodness, sorry. It's been a long day for Miss Hewes. All right, so if you need help, long story short, I'm always here to help. All right, I hope you have a great Thursday and an even better weekend because today is our last day for meeting together. And I will see you on Monday. All right, have a great weekend and good luck. Remember, I'm always here if you need help. Bye-bye.